Oh no!
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
SVR.
County in west central Pennsylvania, east central west Moreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gary, or 9 miles east of Latrobe, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Blairsville, Black Lick, New Florence, Seward, Bolivar, Armagh, Brush Valley. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.